Just a disclaimer, if you see me looking off to the side during this video, it's because I just finally figured out how to use my laptop as a monitor, and so I hooked up my phone to my laptop, and so I'll be looking at my laptop screen from time to time just to see if I'm still in focus. Hi guys, I'm Wynette and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Also, don't be afraid to follow me on the social media pages listed in the description box. For those of you who are returning, please feel free to like, comment, and share as well. This video will be based on feedback that I have received so far. I really hope you enjoy it. Don't forget, I have lots more content coming. The main focus of this video will be the eyes. As you have seen, I have already moisturized and primed, and I'm now moving on to my brows. I will be using a dark brown brow pencil to fill in my brows. I will also be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shades Fawn and Beautiful Bronze in order to shape my brows. I will be using a large fluffy brush in order to blend out any concealer used while shaping my brows. I will now be using a spoolie in order to blend out any excess product left in my brows. Next, I will be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn in order to act as an eyeshadow base. I will be setting my base using the Sacha Buttercup Setting Powder. From the Morphe 25A palette, the shades I'll be using are a muted gold, a black, and a deep brown shade. And from the Morphe 3502 palette, I'll be using the shades Contour and Rich. I will begin by packing and blending Contour into my crease as a transition shade. I am building up the shade Contour as I continuously pack and blend the eyeshadow into my crease. Using a smaller blending brush, I am going in with the shade Rich to deepen. Now going in with a fluffy brush, I am ensuring that these shades are blended properly. After gently tapping into my black, I am now deepening the outer corner of my lid. I am now just going back and forth between the brushes to ensure that these colors and shades are blended properly. Using a bit more of that black, I am deepening the outer corner until I achieve my desired look. Using a fluffier eyeshadow brush, I am now going to be applying and blending the gold shade onto my lid. I am also going in with my blending brushes and the shade Rich in order to ensure a seamless transition between the shadows. I am now using my favorite liner, the NYC Liquid Liner in Extreme Black. Usually I outline the wing portion of my liner. Then I draw a line from the inner corner connecting it to the wing. I use my little finger to keep my hand steady when I need to. I then fill in and sharpen my liner. Going in with a fluffy brush, I use the shade Rich to add and blend in eyeshadow into my lower lash line. I then add a brow bone highlight. I also add an inner corner highlight using the shader Pure from the 3502 palette. The Rimmel Scandalized Kohl Kajal pencil in black will be used to line my upper and lower waterline. A small detail brush will be used to smudge it into the lower lash line. To accentuate my top and bottom lashes, I will be using the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara in Blackest Black. We've reached the end of this video. Thank you for watching. I really hope it helps someone out there.